that one dish. Oh, let's see, this is the crab meat right here. Well guys, welcome back to another edition of That One Dish. My name is Ricky, I am your host today. Today we are here in the Daly City area, and if you live in the Bay Area, this past couple of days has been really cold. And to some of you guys living near the mountains, you see that they're snowing also. So it's been really cold here in the Bay Area. And so we just picked up our kids from school and wanted to get some lunch where we want to get some pho. So our son Tyler kind of recommended us to come here in the King Drive area where there's the classic bowling center right across from here. This place is called PHO CAFE. So as you know, we've been to Viet and everything already. This is a place near our house and they just opened, I'm not sure how long, but it's still kind of new. It was something else before this, but anyways, we want to get pho or something that's spicy noodle soup. So we looked at the place and they have like LAKSA vermicelli also. So, and there's some spicy noodle soup. So we want to get something spicy also. So we've never been here, so let's go try check them out. Let's go. All right, guys. So we got our food. This is gonna be a quick meal for us. We ordered some crispy Vietnamese crispy rolls. Okay, that looks good. And we also have some 5-spice chicken with some garlic noodles. The kids gonna love that. We also have two noodle bowls. Okay, the very first one that my wife ordered it's called it's the crab meat and tomato rice noodle soup. Okay, so there's a lot of crab meat, and but the broth has a tomato flavor to it. The second noodle soup that we have, this is a very unique one. It's LAKSA vermicelli. Okay, it's with combination seafood. So LAKSA, it could be a soup or a curry. So this is from what the owner said, that this is from a Singaporean laksa, which is a soup. It has a little bit of curry to it also, and with some vermicelli and seafood. Okay, I never had a laksa before. We're gonna try it today. Okay, this is the Singaporean style. All right, let's try it out. The crispy rolls. Okay, let's try it out. Nice and crispy. The sauce. A little nice sauce to it. Sweet. Really good. Nice flavor, nice marination. Very crispy. Now, let's try this is a little appetizer, okay? Try the garlic noodle out. Good. Garlic noodles good, actually. Chicken. Garlicky. With the spice of the chicken, it's good. Wow. I like it. Kids gonna love it. It's not even spicy at all. But the marination of it is actually really good. All right. Okay, guys, so we are ready to, so I just gave some to my kids. We're gonna, the chicken and the noodles. So we had the crab meat and tomato rice noodle soup. Wow, this looks really good, really good. I see like a lot of tomatoes, the noodles, and crab meat. Okay, there's the tomatoes, there's pork blood, there's the noodle vermicelli. Smells the tomatoes. Let's try it out a little. Okay, so it's a different kind of style pho that I'm used to. It has a tomato scent to it, aroma to it. Let's try it out with the vermicelli. Okay. Now this is the crab right here. Crab meat. Okay. It's a little not your typical pho. Okay, so it's a crab meat and tomato rice noodle soup with some tofu also. Let's try it out. That's not spicy. Good. I think kids could have this too. All right, so that crab meat tomato rice noodle soup was good. Now we have the LAKSA vermicelli, okay, Singaporean style. I've never had a LAKSA before. LAKSA vermicelli, okay. We're gonna try it out. See the prawns. All right, here we go. Oh wow, yes. I love the flavor here. Wow, the broth and the curry paste that they put in here blends it all. It blends out beautifully. The aroma of the broth, really, really good. And the spice is just a kick of spice. It's not too much. It's actually, I like it. Wow, first time having it, I like it. Now there's some quailed eggs in here also. Wow. I didn't think it could go. It could be mixed together and all that stuff. Wow. So it's coconut soup, coconut broth with some curry paste. Very good. I like it. All right, so we're gonna try out. Tyler's here. Tyler just got back from class, and he ordered. What did you order? What is it called? The combination pho. So the original pho, basically. Okay, we're gonna try his out really quick, man. But I want to say that laksa is really good. Yeah, it's big, huge. Thank you, thank you. Oh wow. So this is the original. Okay, pho. Wow. Look at that. There's the beef balls, tripe. Smells really good. Tyler, I'm gonna try a little bit of yours, okay? Just a little bit. Oh wow, very refreshing. Really good. Try a bit of some of the noodles. The original pho is really good too. Like it. Good, good. Good choice. Alright guys, so I want to say thank you to Ming, the owner here at PHO Cafe, and his staff for treating us well here. The noodle bowls were delicious. The original pho, the crab meat and tomatoes noodles, that was good. And the laksa, you have to try to get the laksa vermicelli. That is amazing. I personally love it. You should try it out. It has a lot of flavor to it. It has a lot of spice, coconut. It's a whole bunch of stuff. You need to try it out. From everyone here at That One Dish, we want to say thank you very much for joining us tonight. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our content if you haven't done yet. And if you come here, please leave a comment. What did you think? What do you think about the noodle bowls and all that stuff? From everyone here, we want to say thank you and see you guys next time.